guys, Crafternoon. So we are back with another project, and this is called Doodle Bunny. I know it's kind of crazy, but it's really cool and it's really fun. And no matter what your age is, you could do it. Okay? So you're gonna get a couple of templates. You're gonna get eggs and bunny bodies, some funky glasses, and your bunny head. This is the one I worked on, but it'll work for all of the templates we're giving you. You guys can make puppets out of them. It'll be super fun. So what you guys could use at home is crayons. We're gonna use washi tape. You know how I love the washi tape. And we're going to use a black marker, although you can use colored markers. I just would recommend like thin ones. So let's get started. So this is the one that I started out with right here. And then of course I thought, how fun would that be to give it fun glasses, right? So I have included the lines for you in case you want to do it like mine. And what it is I took a thin black marker and I, on both sides, did the same design. So I did X's and X's, and I did the word spring and spring. And I just went down and I did the same designs across. So like right here I used bunny, circles, stars. So I have one to show you, and it's going to be hard to see because I'm covering it, but I'll show you. So basically I'm going to do this design all the way across two lines, and it's going to look different. So it's not exactly the same. It's just like, you know, these aren't all the same X's. It's just the same like design. So anyway, that's what I think it'd be cool. You can make a different design for every block if you wanted to. I just did them matching across. So there's one, and then I have his little hair, and I am going to do check marks for his little hair. And there's no rhyme or reason, you guys. You can make any kind of design, which is really cool. I just suggest a thin marker. Okay? And then I went through and I borrowed a piece of paper and I just wrote thin pencil lines like this, so that I can make a colorful background. You could make this all different colors too, like red and yellow and blue and purple and green and gold. You could make those thin markers all different colors, or you can do what I did, where I did it black and white and then put the colors behind. So you just do the thin lines, and then I just alternated the crayons and I colored. You guys could just color the background all the same color. You could go the different direction than I did. You could make more designs with different things. It's totally up to you. That's what's really cool about this project. It's good for all ages, and it is adaptable to whatever you think would be fun. Okay, so I'm gonna continue to fill these in. But first, I'm going to show you my glasses. So I colored my glasses orange. I just thought that was a bright, fun color. And then, of course, I did not get my washi tape ready again. What was I thinking, right? Sometimes I just need to do things ahead of time. Okay, so I'm going to do washi tape. And I'm actually going to do two. Oh, here it goes again. Two pieces, And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to fold them over so they look like this. This one's kind of a big piece, but I ripped it, so I wanted to make sure it fit in the glasses. So I'm going to roll them over. Oops, crooked. Oh well, that happens, right? So I'm going to flip my glasses over, and I'm going to put them right here in the middle of where the actual glasses would be. And then I'm going to pick where I want them. And the washi tape is going to make it 3D so that you can pick them up and they're going to be like poking out. Isn't this cute, you guys? I hope I get to see yours. I'm so excited about this one. It's super fun. And you can do it with all the templates that we have. So have fun, guys. So next week we have a special Crafternoon where we're going to put out all the old Crafternoons from this year, and then you can come back and get any of the ones that you missed, or maybe you just really like one and you want an extra. So I'll see you soon. Bye.